Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jessica. Today I'm introducing you the 304 stainless steel mesh belt conveyor. This is the power light, stop key, emergency key, speed adjustable key, working light, running key, inch key. This is for the fans because we have the fans on the top of the machine. And this is the blower for cleaning mesh belt automatic. Inside we have the inverter here, is a detail brand, and this is the blower. We have the blower for cells cleaning the belt for the belt, and here is the motor. Okay, here is the fans. The fans on the top of the conveyor. The fans for cooling the material. The chip chain with 68 kinds for the water drop down, and we also have the blower at the inside of the conveyor. Here we have the nozzle, 5 nozzles. We can sense the wind here. So the nozzles will blow the hot on the mesh belt. The vent here, and the wind is face down for cooling the material. This is the silicone sheet we installed at the two sides for stopping the material go into the frame. The speed is adjustable.